whatever time you guys are watching this. So we're gonna start our day. It is Thursday, we leave tomorrow. We're driving into the city now to try to get something to eat. We are taking over the vlog for right now only because Tiffany can't speak. She lost her voice, partying too hard, party hardy. Crystal in the back, woo woo. They're going parasailing. So, yeah guys, we're gonna go eat. They're gonna head over there and we're gonna see whatever the rest of the day takes us. We have a dinner tour in the nighttime, so we're super excited for that. It's raining, but rain supposedly is blessings of water for you to have a lucky day today. So let's hope that's a good thing. We're gonna see you guys later throughout the night, whenever Tiff feels better. But we love you guys and say bye, Tiff.
Hi everybody. I'm the designated driver. I can't reverse, so Abby has to reverse for me. The mosquitoes here are crazy. On me. Look at Tiffany. Hold on. She is right now getting pupusas. Look at Crystal. I almost ran Crystal over. I wet Crystal. I almost ran her over. I think she's tired of me at this point. But it's okay because it's all love. Hi everybody. Tiffany still doesn't have a voice, so I'm here today for you guys. We are going to a dinner tour. We're just gonna walk around the town. Free food, free drinks, you know the vibes. And we're just gonna eat all day for like 3 hours. We're gonna become fat. You see my belly? Even though she can't talk, she's still pretty. Purr. Spin, spin, spin. Okay, Pookie. We'll check in back in a couple hours. But yeah.
If not, I'll take it a second. See the faces together.
Backyard, alright? They started the place right underneath this nice flamboyant tree. So they cater for all the locals, serving, you know, empanadas, salitas, even burgers. Alright, around the 1990s, that's when they expanded the place to what you see right now. Out of their 6 children, the youngest one, Miss Jenny, she became a world-renowned chef in our country. Even in 2012, she was privileged to cook for Prince Harry. There's a picture of her right to the back shaking his hand, okay? So when it comes to good Belizean food, we're in safe hands, alright? So we're gonna get our watermelon, white rum and mint. A little palate cleanser, some of the great guys will bring everybody, alright? So my name is Rigi. My name is Rigi. Born and raised here in the island. I'm also a local bartender, so it's going to be a privilege to tour another town. Right? We're going to be having 9 different tastings in 6 places. Alright? Hope everybody's ready.
Snapper fillet, breaded and fried, served over our traditional rice and beans. A little gravy around the rice, and stuffed off with fresh pico de gallo and a fried ripe plantain on the side. Okay? Enjoy.
Thank you.
rum punch, a panty ripper, which is their homemade pineapple juice, coconut rum, splash of grenadine, rum and coke, campechana, which is soda water, rum and a splash of coke. They got local beers, Pelican land shark stouts. How can I get for you?
A panty.
Panty ripper.
You can make 2.
Three. Yep, 4. All of us.
We want our panties ripped.
This place started around 1968. Okay, there's a picture of the owner. He still owns everything, but he just leased it out to a local lady, Miss Nelly. She's the secret to how this place runs. All right. They have a good breakfast, lunch, and dinner menu, but they're mostly well known for the ceviche. Like I said, the balance between the seasonings and the acidity is just perfectly right. Alright, girls, like I mentioned, everybody welcome to Brianna's place. We're going to be doing 4 different tastings: fish empanadas, salbutes, garnachas, and a live lesson on the fried catch, okay? These are garnachas, corn-based shell, refried beans, onions, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese or Asador cheese, alright?
Garnachas?
Garnachas.
I've been talking about this whole time.
Alright, so these are the fish empanada. These are a corn-based masa, but these are sealed up and they have shredded fish inside. It comes complemented with a side of onions and cabbage, alright? I suggest splitting it in half so let go along with some of that steam out, okay?
No. We don't put meat on it.
So this is our local salbute, same concept with the empanada with the corn masa, but this one they have stewed chicken on top, and it comes topped up with a little onion, tomato, and jalapeno for spice. I normally eat them like a taco. These are locally carved, by the way. My father and son from Belize City for almost 2 years to finish up. You know, Saul is a fan of the Mayan. 4 de almost 35 years, okay? And they're the only cigar manufacturers in all our country, and they're located here. But what we're here to try out is their famous rum creams. They make 3 famous rum creams: chocolate, coconut, and coffee, alright? So take one.
Coconut rum cream.
Smells fun.
They also they have their own tumbler at the back, so literally they.
Your coffee rum cream is made with the same coffee that we roast here, and there's a vanilla, caramel, creamy, and dark rum, and dairy.
Gracias. Happy is over here licking them down. Yo, what is this?
Complex.
Put me up, put me up.
Right, our country produces some of the finest chocolate or cacao, okay?
Okay, great.
Okay, what we're having tonight is pibil tacos. The pibil meat is cooked underground for 8 to 9 hours underground with banana leaves and rocks, okay? It comes with your fresh homemade corn tortillas, picos, and chimichurri, okay?
Hi.
So this is the owner, the myth, the legend herself, Miss Norma.
Hey you guys, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. I hope you can hear me. This is the only capacity in which I can speak. So I'm giving y'all some ASMR. Turn your volume up. I took you guys with us everywhere we went. Thank you, Belize, so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shout out to all the amazing people that we met. I will be tagging all the places that we went. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching, supporting. I know I look a mess also. This hair gotta go. Shout out to my girl. I'm gonna put her Instagram who did my hair. It's the Jazz Lab. You already know. Tap in. Shout out my son Jaden. I had such a great time. Thank you so much, Belize. Crystal, I love you so much. Happy birthday. I hope you had a great birthday. But I'm out. Bye.
Bye. Belize. Cheers. You killed it. Definitely coming back. Thank you very much. Had a great time. Tiff, Carol, Crystal. Love you guys.
All right, hey. So we are getting ready to leave the B&B. We're saying our goodbyes, and it's been a really fantastic trip. I couldn't have asked for anything better for my birthday. And yeah, I mean, I hope to come back real soon. It's been amazing, but for now we say farewell, and soon to come back, as they say, see you later.
The trip was amazing. I had a very great time with everybody. I love the experience of experiencing different cultures, learning everything, experiencing the food, the beach, the sun. Happy birthday, Crystal. To more memories with everyone, to more birthdays, to more everything. Definitely put Belize on your list to go to because it's an amazing experience. Everybody is so nice. Bye.
All right, that's a wrap, guys. I'm finally starting to get my voice back, and we out. I took my hair out last night, so I'm back on my pixie princess stuff, and we out. Bye, Belize. Bye, y'all.